Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's create liquid animation. I create liquid animation most simply. Create a circle with white color. Press Alt-Control Home to move the anchor point to the shape center. And press Control Home to move the shape to the comp center. Add wiggle path to it. Set point to smooth, size to 20, details to 2, and speed to 0.5. I just don't want to have a solid circle. Create a smaller circle. Rename it. And add wiggle path to it. With the smooth point, size of 10, detail to 1, and speed of 0.5. Press P for the position. Press Alt and click on the position stopwatch. Right wiggle expression, I set it to a frequency of 0.5 and amplitude of 350 pixels. Create another composition. Name it Liquid. Add the first composition to it. Add Gaussian blur. Set blurriness to 70. More blurriness makes your circles more sticky. Add levels effect. Set channel to alpha. Move histogram like this. Now you have clear edges. And that is the result. Let's add some details to it. Select the small circle, press Ctrl D, and duplicate it several times. The liquid composition would be like this. I want to add color to small circles. Choose a color and double-click on the rectangle tool. Now you have a rectangle with composition size. Select the ellipse tool, then Tool creates mask. Select Title/Action Safe. Put mouse at composition center. Press Ctrl Shift and drag. Now you have a mask in the composition center. Don't forget to rename your shape layer. Set mask to inverted. Increase mask feathers as needed. Check the underlying transparency checkbox. That's the result. We could add different color effects to it. I want to add 4 color gradients to our color layer. And that is the final result. Thanks for watching this video.